Today, I'm going to show you the Conferences.io app for Zoom and go through the experience for both hosts and attendees. Conferences.io's native Zoom app allows meeting organizers to add attendance tracking and an audience response natively into Zoom for their meetings. Let's take a look at how to add the app for the host. To add the app, click the Apps button in the toolbar, then locate Conferences.io in the sidebar. Once added, enter your app or session URL and then click Save URL. Once saved, you can invite attendees by clicking the Invite All Attendees Now button. As new attendees join, they'll automatically be invited to the app. Now let's take a look at how to use the app as an attendee. Attendees will see a prompt to open the Conferences.io app once invited by the host. From here, attendees will click Open to load the app into their Zoom window. From here, attendees can use all of the features of Conferences.io without leaving the Zoom window or using a second device. If enabled, they can check in, respond to polls, and ask questions as configured by the session organizer. They can also check out right from the Zoom window right before leaving the meeting to help ensure that their attendance has been properly recorded. For more information, check us out at help.conferences.io.